Welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to another one of our videos, welcome to our YouTube channel and welcome to our Facebook page, depending on which media you're using. We are on our way to Silverstone to help out one of our friends, Michael Mann from Bennets Bike Social, to review the new 2021 RSV4 1100. Welcome to AP Workshops, welcome to our little review of the 2021 RSV4. Okay, this basically is the new 2021 RSV4. This is mine. And what we're going to try and do is a few comparisons between the two. Okay, let's have a look at the similarities and have a look at the new information that we're going to be given from this. So this is the 2015. This is our 2015 RF. So I'm pretty sure that most people are pretty familiar with this. But what's new on this? So what we're talking about, new bodywork. Effectively, the aerodynamics have been worked on quite dramatically. So you can see what's going on there. These wings, if you found out these scoops kind of thing, have all been tucked in and all part of it now, rather than what looked like on the 20, which looked like a little bit of a bolt-on, but that's all kind of brand new. We're talking about a brand new 5-inch dashboard, that's sort of full colour dashboard. We're talking about 6-axis IMU. So basically the traction control systems, if you're talking about traction control systems, it will affect on 6-axis rather than just on the sort of, if you imagine the original and the 2015 was a 4-axis kind of thing. It used a little gyroscope which sat underneath the seats. This is a brand new system. In fact, if you have a quick look, the RS660 has quite a lot of this technology that's been brought over onto this. The engine has now gone basically slightly bigger as it goes. It's gone from 1077 to 1099.
That's quite big.
Which means the stroke's gone slightly longer by, get this, 1.05 millimeters, for crying out loud.
Every little helps.
But that means that they can actually re-engineer the combustion chamber for emission regulations. It's all about that Euro 5 and getting that Euro 5 emission regulations through there. So we're talking about updated engine management systems. The new electronic suspension has been fettled to make that sort of good. So if you have a quick look across here, you'll find that sort of the new Öhlins, it's all Öhlins shod, the real good stuff. So all of this has been sort of redone as well. Now apparently this chassis has the footrests that have been lowered by the seat height has been lowered by 9 millimeters, which is going to help an awful lot of people that are getting on these bikes that find it quite tippy-toe, that want to buy a sports bike. I think that's a great idea. So the footrests, or the difference between the footrests and the tank, have all been adjusted as well. So the rear sets a slightly different shape to compensate for exhaust and to compensate, just to give people a little bit of extra room, because I know sometimes when we were talking about the original bikes, the rear sets were quite tight and it did kind of sort of tend to pitch you forward onto your wrists quite dramatically, which can sometimes upset people if you're going to sort of start doing lap after lap after lap, or even if you're going to go road riding. That makes quite a difference. The swinging arm is quite the biggest visual effect. If you have a quick look on the swinging arm, what we've got is an underslung swinging arm here. So effectively the swinging arm has been changed quite dramatically to kind of mimic the sort of World Superbike style that we're looking for. So that's also, if you imagine, that's also been given sort of quite a lot more weight loss involved in that one. It's been made with fewer parts, which makes it quite a lot lighter. I believe the figure's 300 grams. I think it's 300 or 600, I can't quite remember, but it's certainly a lot lighter. And we've also made here, if you have a quick look here, the spindle slot for the spindle in the back there has been changed and made quite a lot longer. Now that will give anybody the opportunity to adjust the swinging arm. So if you're going to go and do track days, then you can basically sort of bring the wheel back to lengthen the wheelbase. It gives you a little bit more stability, but if you push it slightly further forward, it allows the bike to turn. Obviously with a shorter wheelbase, it allows it to turn slightly quicker. This is quite a dramatic change, like I said, around the back end as well, for the aesthetics along those lines as well. So this has gone, it's gone through the actual, through the mill, this one, and has been quite dramatically refined. We're not allowed actually to ride this bike at this particular point in time, but we can sort of, if we have a quick look over it again, what we'll do is we'll do some sloping shots through it so you can see what's going on. But it is actually stunning.
So that's it, that was the comparison between our 2015 RF and the 2021 factory. If you have any questions, you can get in touch with us via all manner of the social media networks. The quickest and easiest way to get in touch with us is to email us. That's sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can check the website online. The online shop is always buzzing. Thank you very much for your support on that one. That's www.apworkshops.co.uk. Thanks very much. We'll talk to you soon.